Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if the translation output is blank. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for DeepL, find the application and install it. So after installing it and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with making our translations. In the upper left corner you have the settings option, from where you can get started managing how your application works and so on. So let's go take a look at what to do in DeepL if your translation output is blank. So basically, if you are using the browser version or the desktop application, you want to clear your browser data. If you're using the mobile application on your Android, you're going to go to your phone settings and then clear the cache and data directly for the DeepL application. You can also disable any browser extensions if you're using the browser version of DeepL, as this can cause issues. So now what you want to do is go and take a look at the translations right here. You can select the detect language option. It's going to be easier to go and do a translation if you directly select the language instead of leaving it on detecting a language, because it's going to have an easier time, and this is going to go ahead and approve that you do not have an output that is blank, or you're always going to have something when translating. So this is also one of the solutions you want to try out. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.